I'm working on finding my perfect wedding makeup combination, so let's find it together. For today, I'm going to go ahead and start with the No Problem Primer from Touch in Sol. This is going to be my foundation. This is the ABH foundation. You also want to make sure that you give your primer a few minutes to set in between applying your primer and foundation, so that way it doesn't get all gross and mushy. I'm going to go ahead and start with a sponge, and it's looking real good so far. I personally love this foundation. It looks like my skin, but better. This was barely any. I still have all this left. This is only one pump that I've used. And it's super dewy, and I normally only wear it for a few hours, so I really do need to do a wear test on it to make sure that it'll last you the whole day. But so far, this is a top contender. Before I finish putting foundation on this side, I left this area blank. I saw that if you put a eyeshadow primer on this area, it'll help with creasing, so we'll do a test to that too. I absolutely love the way that this foundation looks on me, but let's go into concealer. This one is from Fenty Beauty, and this is 185 in the Pro Filter Concealer. I'm going to go ahead and take that same sponge and just blend it all out. I'm also going to use that same concealer as my eye primer to cover all of my freckles and dark spots. Alright, now it is time for bronzer. I want to do all creams and then set with powders. So we're going to go into this Revolution Eye Bright, and this is in Deep Caramel. This is supposed to be a dupe for that Charlotte Tilbury one that everybody loves, and I've heard really good things about this, so let's test it out. I'm going to go ahead and with the same blender. This does blend like butter. Holy crap, hold on. Okay, here's the before. No definition. I'm sorry, where did that cheekbone come from, Miss Thang? Okay, so this is a win so far. You guys. Okay, we're keeping this one in the bag. Alright, using that eye pen as a bronzer is absolutely incredible. Game changer. Also, if you look at the wrinkle lines, from this side has a primer, this side does not. There's definitely a huge difference, so I will be doing that on my wedding day. And just to be fair, I'll go ahead and blend it out one last time. Okay, so it's a fair playing field now. For blush, we have Miss Rare Beauty in Joy, because what other feeling is there on your wedding day? Hopefully it's just joy and happiness. We're already super dewy, but we do need some liquid highlighter. This one is my favorite. It is from Grande Glow, and this is their French Pearl. Y'all, just look at that glow. This is definitely a keeper for the wedding. Sorry, but go to part 2.